startup that help businesses improve their customer satisfaction by leveraging customer feedback, text customer feedback. Typically, you'll have surveys, for instance. It could be Facebook posts, support tickets if you have an issue. And then that information is really important because this is exactly expressing the thoughts of the customer and the ways actually to help him, keep up working with you and doing business with you. We are really trying to help businesses get that insight and then map the information and those insights with business data. So the company understands and knows where to prioritize the strategy and the efforts, and eventually identify what is the type of return on investment it can get from those strategies. Because at the end of the day, you want to make your customers happy, but you want to be profitable too. So there is a relationship between the efforts that are spent and done to improve customer satisfaction and the return on investment that so far wasn't that easy to figure out, and KeaText is really helping with that. There is a statistic saying that 1 out of 26 unsatisfied customers will actually complain and tell you what they didn't like about the product and why they quit doing business with you. So you really need to figure out what is that problem, even if it's a small number of people actually taking, making the efforts to communicate with you about the reasons why. The interesting thing is that, as I was explaining a bit earlier, current technology doesn't focus on that, doesn't give you the root causes. So being able to have a product that is capable of mining and extracting that type of information, providing you with that actionable insight, and also providing you with a way to map that insight with business data about the actual customers, is a way for you to assess the impact of those folks complaining about the product and actually quitting doing business with you, revenue-wise, and of course in terms of customer satisfaction overall.